I will talk about how can you find notifications on your Brandly app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Brandly app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click here on the profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications. When you just click here on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all notifications you have. I have nothing here, but if you have any of your notifications, you will find them here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. So don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.